To send money to someone on Revolut using their Revolut tag, start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device and logging in with your passcode. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page, where you'll need to tap on the Transfer tab located at the bottom of the screen. From there, you'll be taken to a new page with a search bar, where you'll enter the recipient's Revolut tag, type in the initials, select the correct option, and then tap on the tag to proceed. Next, tap on the Send option, and you'll be taken to a page where you can enter the amount you want to send. You can also change the currency if needed, but for this example, we'll leave it set to pounds. Additionally, you have the option to add a note, but you can skip this step if you don't want to include one. Finally, complete the transaction by following the on-screen instructions. This process allows you to easily send money to someone using their Revolut tag on the Revolut app.